Hello friends, today I will tell you about the Bootstrap, how to use it, what advantages and disadvantages it has, and also show examples of its use. Let's go. Let's start by creating a folder and we'll create a few more sections for CSS, JavaScript and images. Now, I will tell you more about the Bootstrap. This is a chat site where you can save time without creating your own code and without breaking your head. You can also use it if you don't own a JavaScript. There's already a ready-made code from while button, sliders and so on. So how do we connect the Bootstrap to our code? This we can do in two ways. The first is that we can simply copy the link and paste it into our header. This is an easy way, but its disadvantage is that without a network connection our Bootstrap won't work. The second way is to simply click on the download button in the top right corner of the screen and click download here. After he has been downloaded, we need to take the documents from the CSS folder and paste into our CSS folder. The same with the JavaScript. After that, we need to connect the CSS and the JavaScript. CSS we include in the head as usual, and we always include the JavaScript and the end of the body so it's work better. Done. Now we can write the code right here. If you want to use the chat, then we go to the site and document section and select the components. Now we need to decide what exactly we need. There are buttons, slider, ready-made containers and much more. Using an example, I will show you how to make a slider. We go to the every page folder and choose which one we like more. Copy the code and paste it in our HTML. We give the header and the desired size sourced CSS, and in the folder where there are dots, you need to specify the address on the picture. It's very important that be, otherwise our slider won't be very beautiful. Done. Our slider is ready. As I said, using a Bootstrap can save a lot of time, and by the way, I didn't say why obscure document and needed, but I needed the code that we copied works since it's that is writing for us. There are also folders with fonts and we can't connect them manually. Here there is also a copy of each document in a compressed format. Isn't plus is takes up less space. I hope from this video you learned something useful for yourself. Good luck to everyone and bye.